Hey man, what the fuck going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna teach y'all boys how to trade options on Robinhood. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all see this dripped out ass shirt, man. Go buy my shirt off my Instagram. But you know what I'm saying? It's pretty simple. We got a couple of good old topics we're gonna cover today. And you know what I'm saying? Without further ado, let's get straight into it. And you're gonna type it, you're gonna need to have TradingView and Robinhood. Okay, so you know what I'm saying? TradingView.com. This is what that shit look like. That's the first little app and website. They got both of it. Another thing I need is something called Robinhood. You know what I'm saying? I need Robinhood. Robinhood.com. Very simple. This is the same app I used to trade options and what I used to trade stocks on. Robinhood. They got an app and they got the damn website. That's it. Now, first thing first, what you need TradingView for is you're gonna need to find a stock that you are willing to trade options on Robinhood. So we just gonna evaluate SPY real quick. We're gonna see what SPY looking like. Now, first thing first, we're gonna look at the weekly chart and we're gonna see what's going on the weekly chart. So on the weekly, shit. Well, you know what I'm saying? Really a new week, ain't it? Yeah, it's Monday. Look like it's going up. Let's see what it's doing on the daily chart. On the daily chart, now this is a bearish candlestick. It had a huge gap up today because today was the CPI meeting. You know what I'm saying? I guess it was pretty good because everything, AMD got up 5%, then it went down 4%. That was great. I made a good little 200 bun. But yeah, this is a bearish candlestick for the day. It started up here, and what's happening is going down. This is a daily time frame, so let's work our way down, see what the 4 hour look like. Oh, see, as y'all can see, this is the 4 hour candlestick. This is the 8 o'clock. So at 8 o'clock, it was all the way up here. And then by 12, it was all the way back down here. And then this is it's still forming. It looks pretty bearish right now. But now you need to find your support and your resistance. You got to evaluate your trade. See how this is a wick right here. It's another wick right here. So it look like that could be a potential little support. But if you zoom out, really let y'all some trend lines. Alright, so look, this is what it look like on a 4 hour. So it look like it done went up and then tested that. And it look like it's just stuck in the channel. But now this is where I will use my indicators so I can see what I think is gonna go on next. So the indicators that I use, Bollinger Bands, you know what I'm saying, gotta have my moving average up there. Then I use relative strength index and MACD. So now look at my down chart, look beautiful. Oh fuck no. Can't forget, when you do put your indicators on, normally you have to reset the ones up top up here. Like my moving averages is not correct. I use 9 and I use 12. Oh shit, wrong. EMA, SMA, I really don't care, but I think EMA is faster. So I do 9 and 12 EMA. You gotta make sure your style is visible. Cause like I said, it always resets. You know, we use black and purple. Those are my go-to colors. These are the indicators, and this is the 4 hour chart. Had to spice it up a little bit for y'all boys. But honestly, ain't nothing too significant going up. Like that wick up, you see, it didn't mean nothing because the Bollinger Band is already down here. I mean, it probably was extremely oversold in the lower time frames. So this is the 4 hour. But we don't know exactly what's going on, but let's see what the 1 hour doing. Okay, you see, look at the top, as y'all can see, it started up at the bottom. Then it just fell all the way back down because it gapped up. Like I said, I played puts. I'm in my little 200 one. It look like it's just stuck in this little channel right now. But I think it's going to bounce up again. It might even hit that line again. Now let's go to the 30 minute. 30 minute. MACD. Yeah, see, it's consolidating right now. 15. You see, it's undecided. But I think it'll keep going down. 5 minute. Ain't too much going on. The only time I will enter my trade is if it is overbought above 70 or oversold below 30. Now, but based on this trade though, like if I had to decide, I would think that the price is going down. So I would believe that the price is going down just because of these candlesticks. Let me see. Yeah, I would think that the price is going down. Now I see, look, the 1 minute it rejected that point, but it's going down. No, I believe it's still in QQ going down. So now, once you decided and you evaluated your security, you want to decide whether you want to do calls or puts. Calls is when you're betting on the price going up. Puts is when you're betting on the price going down. So what you would do now is you're gonna go to Robinhood.com. You know what I'm saying? You're in the search of your security right here in the search box. We were just now evaluating SPY. So the SPY ticker symbol is SPY. You know what I'm saying? SPY right here, SP 500 ETF. Then you will go to the bottom right where you click trade SPY options. Pretty simple. You know what I'm saying? Then this is where you need to pay attention right here. Up the top, you see how it says buy, then it says sell, then it says call and puts. Never, during this tutorial how I'm showing y'all, we don't never click sell. Make sure it's on buy. And then whether or not you want the price to go up, that's what you would do for calls. If you want the price to go down, you call it the put. Now me, rule of thumb, no matter what, every time I trade options, I make sure my expiration is at least a week out. Like normally at least 2 weeks out, but guaranteed a week out. You know what I'm saying? So these are SPY calls. And right now, the price, I believe, is gonna go down. It looks like it's gonna go down, but you really can't tell right now because it's clearly in the downtrend, and I think it's gonna keep going down. Go look at cause it look like it's gonna bounce. You really just gotta see what it does at 3 o'clock, which is in 3 minutes. But let's say we was betting on the price going down. So you do buy, then you do put, then you just click the plus sign right here. And then it says long put. I don't know why it just say long put, but put means it's gonna go down. Normally when people say long, it means it's gonna go up, but since it say put, that means it's gonna go down. As you can see, expected profit, blah blah blah. They're like the max loss is 73 because this contract only cost me $73, $74 to keep bouncing in between. But then you'll click continue. Then you'll select the number of contracts you want to share or buy. And normally I buy like, depending on the price, I normally buy like 3 to 5 contracts. See, click 3 and they're gonna show you your total. Cause you see that it's $67 for it now, and the price keeps going down and up and down. It's fluctuating. And then it says your match cost is 198 right here. Then it has a high likely field. See me, how I trade. You know, people say that you want to get in between the bid and the ask. This is the SPY, so you probably gonna get filled. When I'm trading AMD, I normally do like, let's say I just do like 2 above the ask, just so I can guarantee my shit get filled. I do like, then it say high likely field. Then I click review order, and like I said, I ain't buying this shit. Shoot, I ain't even got enough because all my money is down in the market right now. But then all you would do is once you click this, you'll click review order, and then it'll let you like get your money, and then you'll be trading options just like that. It really ain't that hard, you know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? It's your boy K2, and I'm out this bitch. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Comment below what you want to see next. For sure.